जो tan theta is to 4 होगा in all the cases. ये आप याद रखेंगे, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. प्लीज नोट इट. Similarly, if someone says find the time period when maximum height attended is h, a projectile is thrown in such a way that the maximum height attended is h. Maximum height is h. Find the time period or total time of flight. It's very simple. You can solve this question. Try to solve it. See the solution. These are very important conclusions. See, the expression for time period is 2u sine theta upon z. An expression for maximum height is u square sine squared theta upon 2z. Okay. Now, if we divide these h upon t, this will be u square sine square h by t square कर लेते हैं. h by t square u square sine square theta upon 2z, and it will be multiplied by 4 u square sine square theta. गलत मैंने लिखा, ये नीचे आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में because we have to divide. It will be 4 u square sine square theta upon z square. मैंने t square से डिवाइड किया. Now see, u square will cancel out, sine square will cancel out. It will be, and 1g will also cancel out. It will be z upon 4, that is 8, means h upon t square. I hope I am right. Yes. Now, if we want to find t square, then t square will be h into 8 upon z, and this will be, this can be written as t equal to 2 and under root 2h upon z. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, copy it, and time is over. You can leave the class. Bye bye. I'm adding the question. We have some question today. एंड आई होप कि आज अगर हमारा क्लास ठीक से चला तो today's class is the last class for projectile. See, can you see the question? Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Question. Good. See the question and try to solve it. कोशिश कीजिए सॉल्व करने का बेटे. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. Can you solve this question? Anyone has solved?
No, sir. Please wait.
Okay. ओके, जो सॉल्व कर रहे हैं प्लीज सॉल्व कीजिए. मैं इसको और बच्चों को बता रहा हूं. सी दीज क्वेश्चंस आर ऑफ IIT level. We must have to solve such type of questions. A body is projected with velocity u such that I'm just going to give you the questions which are very important for.
Sir, B.
Answer is
B, sir.
B. देखते हैं बेटा. ओके, क्या नाम है आपका बेटा? अजय.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just writing here. Ajay has given answer B. I'm just going to solve this question. See, आप ध्यान रखेंगे, questions having the concept. A question is not simply a question that has the concept and you have to get that concept. Okay. See, range. A body is projected with velocity u such that horizontal range and maximum vertical height are same. Range and vertical height are same. See, means range is equal to h max. Maximum height is equal to the range. Now just write the formula for both. U square sine 2 theta upon z. It is the formula for range, and at the same time formula for maximum height is u square sine square theta upon 2z. Here there is a very interesting result. आप ध्यान से देखेंगे. This result is very interesting and you can use this concept in different questions.
सर एक बार बाहर आना सर, सोम्या का ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा.
आज बेटा क्लास ऐसे ही. अच्छा, मैं अभी जस्ट करता हूँ बेटा. आज मैंने प्लेस चेंज करना पड़ा मुझे ड्यू टू द टेक्निकल इशू. हाँ, मैं बस देखता हूँ. बहुत सारे बच्चे. ओके, see, it will be a very interesting result. Z will cancel out and sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta into cos theta. At the same time it is sine square theta, and if we bring 2 here, which is in denominator here, we have brought it on this side, then 4 sine theta. Sine theta can be cancelled out, 1 sine theta, then it will be cos theta 4 cos theta equal to sin theta. And see, very interesting result is here. If we divide the sin theta by cos theta, it will be 10 theta, and 10 theta is equal to 4. Means theta is equal to 10 inverse 4. It's a very interesting result. You can understand it. If you have to make the range and maximum height equal, suppose there is a projectile, you are projecting a projectile, and you just have to keep the maximum height and range same. आपको maximum height और range same अगर रखनी है, this is the range and this is the maximum height. If you want to keep the maximum height and range same, then you have to project the projectile at an angle of 4 radian. It is 4 radian. You must be very clear, not 4 degree, 4 radian. Okay, at this angle you should have to project the projectile. You will get the, no, it is not 4 radian. It is the angle theta, where tan inverse 4 is equal to theta. Okay, it is the angle theta. It is very interesting result. आप याद रखेंगे. इतनी बात समझ में आ गई? Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Now, now we have to find H maximum. H maximum will be, see, the formula is u square sin square theta upon 2z. We have calculated tan theta, but here we have to use sin theta. So if we want to find the sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So here we can write 4 upon 1. 4 upon 1 means perpendicular is 4 and base is 1. Then H can be calculated as p square plus b square under root, and this will be 4 square plus 1 square, that is root under 17. This is H. So sin theta can be written as 4 by root under 17. Now put the values. U square sin square theta means 16 upon 17 upon 2 into 10 or 2z. Answer is given in terms of z, so we can write it is 8u square upon 17g. Is it clear, bete? Just make me clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very interesting question it was, and today we are going to deal interesting questions. Just I am giving you 10 seconds to copy all these things. These important concepts are related to this question. आपको बहुत ज्यादा काम आने वाला है ये सारा concept when you are dealing with the objective questions. Can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question, bete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See the next question. This is the next question. I'm just taking the second question. Serially, yes, it is the second question. See, this is also a very interesting one. Potential energy of a projectile at its maximum height is equal to the kinetic energy at its maximum height. Means if there is a projectile, then here it is given that at maximum height, if it is a projectile, at this height, kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. If the velocity of projectile is initial velocity is given, that is 20 meter per second. Its time of flight is, we have to calculate the time of flight. Again, it is very interesting question. See what is happening here. At this height is maximum. It is the maximum height. So potential energy will be mgh maximum, and kinetic energy will be